Welcome to the Bolderos on tour. Hi, I'm Carole.
And I'm Michael, and I'm behind the camera today.
Makes a change.
Well, these must, as they say, these must. This is what we call a pink job. So I'll hand you over to Carole to tell you what she's going to do.
Thanks, Michael. Today I want to talk about how we deal with our bedtime routine. Don't worry, we're not going to show Michael in his pyjamas. I want to talk about how we set the bed up. It's a 2-berth Caravan, and we used to make the bed up double. We've had fitted sheets, we've had sleeping bags. No, it doesn't work for us. We wanted something a lot easier and a lot quicker. So we decided to sleep either side. Now these beds are ideal for us because they're 2'4" wide and 6'1" long, which is ideal for Michael because he's about 5'11"
and 3/4.
3/4 makes a lot of difference, and I'm only like 5'2", so these are ideal. We wanted something easy, so we bought 2 Duvalay Sleeping Bags. Let me just open this up. And there it is, all rolled up. That is the actual sleeping bag with the duvet attached. Now, to make the bed up, pull that forward. Normally I have Michael to help me, but I'll do it myself today. Move all these cushions. When we make the bed up, these do go under the seat, so we don't have 2 ton of cushions kicking about all over the place. There's 2 straps holding the duvet. Undo them, and that's it. That's the bed made up. Got my pillows.
How good is that?
And that's it. So on the bottom is a mattress, foam mattress, and on the top is a duvet. Now when we bought these, we had 10.5 winter duvets in. Too warm, even for Michael. So what we did, we got 2 summer duvets, 4.5, put them in, they fit perfect. Even in the coldest nights, we're warm enough because we've got the Alder heating.
What we tend to do is put the Alder heating down to 16 degrees.
Because I get warm.
And just let it do its own thing, really, don't we?
Yeah, so that's it. Easy.
Now the great thing is are you going to demonstrate how you're getting in and out?
Is it bedtime? There we are.
Oh, doesn't she look nice and cozy?
And I've got me teddy.
Oh. So we'll give you a nice kiss good night. Night night, sweetheart.
Night night.
Sweet dreams.
And I'll get up now, else I might nod off. We've timed from start to finish, from taking all the cushions off, getting the duvets out from underneath, setting it up, 6 minutes, which is ideal. And probably about 6 minutes putting it away, because what you do, just fold your duvet across and start from that end and roll it up. I won't do it now because I do have trouble. My hands are actually big enough. Michael normally helps me. But you just roll it up, put the 2 straps on, back inside the bag, underneath. Now I know a lot of people do like a fixed bed. Would be nice, but it's not for us.
Well, the problem is we haven't got the storage room for a Caravan. This is about as long as we need to.
Yeah, but we've now got a system that works for us. Like I say, it's not for everybody, but it works for us.
And can I just say,
Yeah.
I get the best night's sleep ever in the caravan, even better at home.
Yeah, so do I.
Yeah.
But when you're snoring, it's further to tap you. So that's it, the Duvalays. These first came out on Dragon's Den a good few years ago. It's a local firm. You can buy extra covers, different covers. They're all online. If you Google Duvalay, it'll bring it all up. We got an extra cover, different colour for the summer. This is our winter cover. They do cushion covers, pillowcases, mattresses. They do all sorts. It's a really good website and they're a really friendly local company. That's why we went to them. You've got to support your local firms. So I think that's it for the Duvalay.
So,
if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. So from Michael.
Well, it's only you that says it. Do you want me to say it?
Go on then, take over.
Ta-ra!
See you soon. Bye.